Okay, this is John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about catastrophic health insurance coverage. Catastrophic health insurance coverage, or major medical coverage, is intended to cover you in the event of a catastrophic illness or injury that may result in some type of surgery or procedure which could end up costing you $10,000 or $20,000. Now, the catastrophic health insurance coverage would only cover you for these types of incidents, and the type of coverage that you would obtain would depend on the type of plan, the definitions of coverage, and all sort of the terms of the policy. So it's important to look into the policy and see exactly what's being covered. Now, some health insurance plans may be sort of similar to a catastrophic health insurance plan if the deductible is very high. Now, the reason I say that is if you have a very high deductible health insurance plan, oftentimes you won't exceed that amount of deductible unless you have a catastrophic illness or injury. Meaning, if you have a $3,000 deductible, unless you have a major medical expense during the course of the year, chances are you're not going to burn through that $3,000 in a typical year. So this would help to cover you against anything over $3,000, which a surgery could easily be $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 in excess of that $3,000. So it's important to have coverage in that sense. It's important for everyone to have some sort of coverage to protect against these catastrophic illnesses or injuries, because they can be quite expensive, cause financial duress, put a person in significant financial burden, which they could be paying off this surgery for 10 or 20 years. So it's important to have some coverage in that area. Specific catastrophic health insurance is typically cheaper than a broad range health insurance plan. So having that at the very least is something that every individual should have. So this has been John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about catastrophic health insurance.